Hi guys, I'm doing a pack opening with 3 sticker cards. Work up. There's 1, 2, 3. I had 6, but I opened some of them. It's pretty a lot. So, first pack, shove them to the side. First pack, well, that's second pack. Say hi, kid. Hi. So, this pack, ooh, I can see it. Oh, these are 2 players for the book. So, got him, and we got him, and we got him. Second pack. What we're gonna get? What are me? I think he's a goalie, I don't know. 2-player one, 1-player one, 2-player one, oh yeah. Goalie and a shooter. And another player one. Pack opening, last pack opening 3 now, so last pack, literally, got pretty lot to put in, but who cares. Shut that, so 2-player one, goalie and out. That guy. And that guy, he's, oh, I thought he was goalie there, but I was reading it upside down. So that guy, and that guy. And if you're wondering what's here, guys, I just dropped it there. That's our, oh, I can't read it. Razor blade, not razor taxi. So see you guys when we do more pack openings, and yep, see ya.